How to fix error reading from loaded packet store CS2 on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly on how you can fix this problem. This is a step-by-step guide so you can follow easily. Basically, first things first, you want to head over to your Steam application right here. And once inside Steam, you can just navigate through the CS application. You can go ahead and see that right inside the library settings or library menu. From here, you want to go ahead and click on Counter-Strike, and once inside, you want to go ahead and click on Properties. Inside Properties, navigate through the downloaded folder. In my case, I don't have CSGO on my system right here, but I'll just go ahead and use another game as an example. Once inside, you want to navigate through the installed files, and from here you can just go ahead and click on the verify integrity of game files. Now this will go ahead and verify the game files are correctly installed to your device. So if some of the files has not been verified after clicking on the verify integrity of game files, it will be automatically fixed on your computer right here. So you can just go ahead and click on it and it will go ahead and fix the problem. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.